holding a subscriber giveaway, and the grand prize will be this foot centipede that I have made. Yes, one lucky subscriber will receive this gift. Normally on Halloween, when I'm handing out candy, I give out one gift to one lucky trick-or-treater, and I figured, hey, this would be a great idea for my subscribers for me to really say thank you and give this gift to you. This is a handmade prop that I have made on my own, and it came from some of the renderings and drawings that were on the movie The Thing. I've seen some from the 2011 and then some from the 1982 version as well. So with a foot prop that I had and using some clay foam, Eva foam, and then covering this up in latex, I've made this really cool foot centipede prop to give away. And this foot centipede is not small, so you see that you're getting a high quality prop that you can use for your next scare on Halloween. Now it is blacklight reactive. I do have different colored blacklight paints on it as well, with a glow-in-the-dark paint. And there is a second runner-up prize here, and is this meaty cleaver made from foam board. I truly crafted this to be like one of my premium type of weapons, and I took the time to use all the techniques I talk about in my videos to ensure that the foam board, at least the foam part of it, doesn't get destroyed during the painting process. This is a really nice meaty cleaver. I think you definitely will enjoy to use on Halloween. So for that second subscriber winner, that's what they will receive. And now you're wondering how you can get that. Well, here are the rules. It's very simple. Subscribe to my channel, okay? If you haven't done already, please do so. Like this video, and then after that, type the word in the comment section down below, centipede. That way I know that you're looking to participate in this giveaway. Then on October 30th, 2022, I will go through all those comments, looking at all those subscribers, and I will pick one lucky subscriber to win the grand prize. And then secondly, on the 31st of October 2022, that night, I will look at all the comments again and pick that second subscriber who will get the meaty cleaver prize. And good luck to all of you that are participating in this giveaway.
Like and subscribe.